We will build a simple and happy family, my love.
Yes, my love. I would give you 12 children just to be with you for the rest of my life.
Your cooking has gotten boring. I'll eat outside from now on.
But you weren't like this before. You said my cooking was special.
Where were you last night? And what are these kiss marks on your neck?
I'm not happy in this home anymore.
Living here is hell.
I hope, my love, we'll still be like this when we grow old.
Yes, my love.
You're in trouble when I catch you.
Catch me if you can.
Pag nahulog ba ako, mahal, sasaluhin mo ba ako?
Siyempre naman, mahal. Ihaharang ko ang katawan ko, huwag ka lang magalusan. Kahit simpleng buhay lang, masaya na ako basta kapiling ka, mahal.
Hindi ako magbabago, mahal.
I will always remember